Hey everybody, I weighed myself. I went to sleep after I got done working in the yard, so I weighed myself because that was actually, and I didn't eat all day. I just ate and I cheated a little bit. I went to Rally's, got me a chicken sandwich. So not too bad, but I did a lot of work today, so I burnt a few extra calories. So I figured 1,000 calories ain't gonna kill me. But I weighed myself when I got up, and I weighed 203.4, I think. 203.4. So yeah, I think I'll be down to the 190s by Monday, I hope. But anyway, in the morning at 7 o'clock, we're going to Alabama. Me and my son and a friend are going to go drive to Alabama. I'm going to take the GoPro with me, and I'm going to go pick up my car. So anyway, so if you haven't seen that, go to that playlist, which is the Saturn 2008 Saturn Redline. And let me see. This is what day was this? Let me see. I don't even know. I gotta go to my folders and even see what day I put. Okay, I think this is day 25. Is that right? Day 25. So this is dose 50. So I'm gonna take my dose 50 and I'm gonna be getting ready to go to work. Maybe try to upload these, but I don't know if I have time. May have to wait till I get back from my trip. So it's not quite enough in there. So I need to do it again. So getting low again. About that time, start making a new batch. There we go. So I'm gonna get my, here we go, right here, and yeah. All right, there's dose 50. Down to 204, yeah, 204 or 203, whatever it was, 203.6. So anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow morning. I take my dose, make my video, and then we're gonna hit the road. So I will see you then.